What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Volt here, and I think you hear some music in the background. Yes, because today I am teaching you on how to play music in the background if you're creating a game. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I found one that I like. So you go, first you go you click on audio. So you click on audio, alright, and then so you click on audio, alright, and then you search any song you want. So I like smooth jazz, so I'll enter that. And I mean, you guys can just find a song you like, so I'm just gonna go find one that I just played. Alright, I think it's this one, so you can sample it if you'd like. Yeah, so it's this one. Alright, let me pause that. So you're gonna drag this music. Alright, you don't have to drag it, I think. Once you click on it, you see right here, I'm zooming in on it, it's gonna end up in the workspace. So instead of having it end up in the workspace, drag the sound all the way to sound service. Alright, so that basically, brings to the sound service, which, does the sounds in the game and whatever. Okay, so obviously, playing means like we want the song to play, so we'll click on that. We want it to be played. Alright, and then loop is like, if you want the game to constantly if you want the song to constantly loop itself. And I'm sure if you have like a game and you want to rotate through normal song into more songs, just like you want to play a playlist, I think you can create your own sound with the playlist you want to do, and then import it and loop it. So yeah. So you click loop if you want it to loop, and you can, more preview, that's the asset ID if you want to like copy and paste it into another game. Volume, you can play around with this if you'd like. I'm not going to do that. And so once that's ready, you're going to click play. This is a really simple process, like no coding involved. So once you click play, it's loading a little bit for me. Let me just wait a little bit. Hey, while this is loading, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe for more Roblox videos like this. So you can hear like the music smoothly playing in the background. I got my game, just loading, whatever. So I mean, that's technically how you do it. So we have our character right here. Just vibing to the music. So I'll just do like a mode. And you guys can choose like any music you want. Like you can do like rock. It doesn't necessarily have to be like smooth jazz. That's just my preference. So I mean, yeah, that's technically it, guys. So make sure you drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.